Buy dirt, find the one you can't live without. Get a ring, let your knee hit the ground. Do what you love but call it work. And throw a little money in the plate at church. Send your prayers up and your...
Real estate's about more than throwing your property up onto the internet. You only have one chance to make a first impression. We're bringing this property to market. My client needed his field shredded. His tractor's down. No problem. My tractor's up. We shredded this field. Who does that? We do that. We're Texan team. My name's Travis Hunt. I'm a realtor. I can't call you. You have to call me.
Before you get caught on that ladder, let me tell you what it's all about.